Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's check out today this 2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited Platinum. So this is fully loaded, top of the line, even has this Platinum package, and we'll talk about it more, what the Platinum package will give you, and also we'll check out the exterior, interior pictures, and I think this vehicle is quite awesome. So this one here is 2023, but is as good as it's would be brand new. So very good looking SUV, and Toyota Highlander is one of those super popular SUVs, and no matter where you go, Toyota has a very good reputation, and for the right reasons. So 243 net horsepower hybrid synergy drive system with CVT transmission. This one has a second row captain's seat, so we'll check that out as well. Hands-free power liftgate and folding side mirrors, Toyota safety sense system, and leather seats, ventilated seats, because this one here is the top of the line limited platinum, has all these things. Now, when it comes to the platinum package, visually you have nicer looking wheels. So these are 20-inch aluminum wheels. Look really cool. And overall, gotta say, the hybrid looks really good, and it's a good, massive, big vehicle. When you're kind of like check it outside, inside, it actually, it looks good and looks the part. Let's have a real quick inside peek on those captain's chairs. So there we go. So this is, I think, my favorite part about this Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited Platinum are these seats. So they're special kind of seats, and they're these captain chairs. You can fold your armrest down like this, and it looks like $1,000,000. Really like it. Together with the sunroof, it's actually quite nice. And here we have a third row seats for the 3 passengers. So altogether we have 7 passenger vehicle. And it seems like, I'm not gonna jump in right now, but it seems like there's a fair amount of room for, I don't know about 3 people, but for 2 for sure. Okay, let's check out a little bit more. So we have these special kind of seats, and I really like this cream interior. That looks really sharp and gives you this extra luxury vibe, if you will. And of course, the heated and cooled seats. That again, cooled seats is extremely nice option in the summertime. And overall, at first glance, we do have our typical Toyota interior with screen, steering wheel, and central console. We'll check that out in a second. So this one here is limited with Platinum package, and the Platinum package gives you rain sensing wipers, head-up display, those unique wheels we just checked out in a sec. So that comes with a Platinum package. Also has the some of them the digital rear view, or this one here, like we can see digital rear view mirror, so we can flip it this and it becomes a digital mirror. So that's kind of cool, but you have to get used to that feature. I'm not entirely 100% fan of it. I always like the just the regular mirror a little bit better, but it's up to you which one you want to do. So of course we do have the garage door openers as well. This one has 360 camera, these unique seat designs, and heated second row seats, memory mirrors, and these puddle lights as well. So overall, very good equipped. Let's jump in right now and let's see how we're feeling. So one thing that I would say this class of vehicle is missing is massage seats, but we won't be too picky about that. And the other thing I've noticed, it's will be more and more important as we're moving into the winter season now. The heated steering wheel only heats up in this area between these stitching lines. So this and this, it does not have all the round heated steering wheel, which I'm finding to be fairly weird, because on the vehicle this caliber, this price point, you would expect the entire steering wheel is going to be warmed up, but it's not. So 360 camera is nice, big, gives you lots of view in terms of entire layout and everything else. And here we have the buttons for the heat and cooled seats. I like how Toyota is doing this sort of screen to button ratio, so you have good old school buttons, knobs, and everything else, and you also have digital screens. So I'm not a fully fan of like everything digital. Of course, it's a nice balance that they need to achieve. Steering wheel, nice, big. Otherwise, if we kind of like, you know, ignore the non-heated part on the steering wheel, but center console is nice, big shifter. I really like all the vehicles with shifters. I don't like these dials and whatnot, so shifter is way to go for me personally. We can switch through different modes and EV selectors and everything else. Center console, interesting. You would think this whole thing lifts up, but it doesn't. So as you push this button, this part slides open like this, and then you can put your stuff in and take it out and slide it over back. So for me personally, I would prefer that it opens up entirely, gives you a little bit better access to your glove department, or to your storage department right there. But if it's not there, it's not there. So very cool wireless charging pad right here, and I quite like it because it's very, very useful. So you can put your wallet or anything else in there, and you can use it as a bit of a storage bin. And also for your cell phone, if it's there, you can see if you're getting messages or calls, and it's always there in your eyesight. And the other thing that I really like it, especially in this cream interior, you're less likely to forget your phone in there. So there's some other cars I put on my phone on you know, like the charger pad, and then it's black, my phone is black, and then I just walk away and forget my phone in the car. This one here, you have a lot more contrast, you'll forget a lot less about your phone like that. So this you know, panoramic sunroof gives you very good headlight and everything else. And right now I think it's time to check out everything from the second view, second row. So you have memory seats, by the way. Here you don't have that on the other side for the passenger. So passenger, you know, if you have many passengers driving with you all the time, that's just to keep in mind. Okay, so this is how we're looking here. We have nice big sunshade here, and the window is, you know, it's very, very big. So this is where this vehicle really stands out. And let's jump in, let's see how we're feeling here. Okay, lots of room in the second row. I can see how here's huge amount of space and good visibility. Very nice, these captain's chairs. I like it. It's such a selling feature for myself personally. We can see we have heated seats in the back, so both of these seats are heated. Obviously nothing heated in the third row, but third row is one of those, you know, just in case situations that you might encounter. Good headspace, headroom. We're not lacking any kind of space in here in the second row. So that part, very, very good. Easy to access in and out. Lots of room for your cup holders, for your stuff, and everything else. So in that regard, it's quite nice. And again, the third row, if we check it, so we can see how there is 3 seat belts, but I don't know if it's in real life good for 3 passengers. Probably not so much, but for 2 for sure. Let's check out the trunk. And again, we can see this is the hybrid Platinum Highlander. All the badging is right there. Okay, still have another set of floor mats here, but we can see how these seats obviously can be folded down if you need extra cargo room, or you can leave them up like this. And a good amount of cargo space, lots of cargo. Even if your seats would be upright like this, you still have good room for your suitcases and everything else. So button to close right here, and that's how we can close the tailgate. Back design is quite nice too. I like the overall the design theme that you have going on. Resembles a lot the the Sienna design lines and whatnot, but overall Highlander definitely is a very popular choice between lots of clients, especially the hybrid. Gives you space, size, and gives you the fuel economy as well. All the things that you would expect from the hybrid vehicle. Okay, let's check out very quickly again what we have here. So it's a 23 Highlander Hybrid Limited Platinum. The Platinum package gives you rain sensing wipers, head-up display, all kinds of features like upgraded wheels and nice interior. And as you open up the door, you can see the door panel nicely contrast between this wood-like insert, then the beige interior, black plastic on a door, and everything else. So heated steering wheel button was right here, didn't show you that. And then of course this one has the head-up display as well. You can see it right here. That's where it projects the screen. So there we go. This is how we're looking. Again, very nice, fantastic, comfy driver seats. And there we go. We just checked out this 2023 2023 Highlander. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Hope you liked it as much as I do, and see you next videos.